my god. So, yesterday, me and Emily go to the mall, right? And we go to Aeropostale so I can get my little brother a gift card for his birthday. Because he loves Aeropostale. So I was like, fuck it. Let me just give him a gift card and get it over with, right? So then we leave Aeropostale and go to Victoria's Secret, to go pick up a few trinkets. And guess who we run into? Oh my god, dude. Timothy and Ben. Yes. I was like, I'm fucking sure. You guys are in Victoria's Secret. Like, come on. I knew that he was there for Ashley. I knew that he was trying to buy her something. Like, dude, it was so obvious. Like, you're here with your fucking best friend and a woman's, like, lingerie store. Like, seriously, dude? That is so gay. Yes. I knew he was there for her, so, I was like, whatever, I am so over it. And I'm just tired of him. He's such a douchebag, to sit here and assume that I was the one who was not showing any interest, and then you sit here and you continue to mess with your ex, but you want to be with me. Like, come on, dude. Like, I wasn't born yesterday, so I already knew. Anyway, so I was so over it. I was so mad. And I was telling Emily, I was like, we need some drinks. Bitch, let's go. And she went and bought me a Frappuccino from Starbucks, but that wasn't the drink I was talking about. So tonight we're going to the bar. And I want to know if you want to come with us because I need some tequila in my life. Like, seriously, dude. Yes. Oh my god. Did you hear that? Dude, I heard the strangest noise. That is so weird, because I'm home by myself. Oh my god, dude. I have to go fucking check this out. This is so creepy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck my life right now. I so don't want to be home right now by myself. Oh my god. Where the fuck is Timothy when you need him? No, dude, I told you I was here by myself. My parents are at a party and my little brother's at a sleepover. No, there's no need to call the police. I just gotta figure some shit out. Oh my god, Brittany, it's so dark down here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, Brittany. This is so frightening. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared. Dude, this is like some I Know What You Did Last Summer / Scream 4 shit, Yes. Oh my god, dude. It's like it's awesome, but like scary at the same time, Yes. Oh my god. Hello? Is anyone there? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Shit, dude, did you hear that? Oh my god, dude. That is like some paranormal activity shit. Yes, dude. Oh my god. I have to see what the fuck this is. Brittany, I swear to god, dude. If I die, you better tell everyone at school that I was the hottest bitch to go out the way that I did. Oh my god, this is so scary. Oh my god. Brittany. Hello? Is anyone there? Oh my god. It came from over here somewhere. I don't know. Hello? Bitch, what you doing? Girl, nothing. Just wrap my hair up. About to get ready to get into bed. Girl, yes. Girl, I was calling you to see if you wanted to go to IHOP with me in the morning. After I leave my WIC appointment. Okay, yeah, girl, we can take the kids and go get something to eat in the morning or whatever. I want to go to the thrift store too and get a couple of things, you know what I'm saying? See what they got, girl, because I ain't been able to shop. Girl, they been working shit out of me. I ain't been able to go shop, girl. And shit, I'm on the budget right now, so I'm trying to just go to the thrift and just get like some little quick stuff, little coats and stuff or whatever since it's cold outside because Christmas coming up and I gotta start saving up and shit, girl, and put some shit on layaway, so I ain't got time to be buying no expensive shit. And them coats at the thrift store be just as good as the ones at the damn mall and at the Walmart, girl. Yeah, shit, I'm not about to play. Anyway, girl, I was calling you, bitch, to tell you, girl. Guess who I seen last night, girl, at the club? Girl, Patrick. Bitch, you know who Patrick is. The light-skinned nigga, the real cute one. Yes, girl. It was so embarrassing, girl. Because you remember I told you he had a little zit. Yes, girl. It was embarrassing, girl. Oh, my God. Because that's the reason I stopped talking to him. And I seen him last night, and I was like, oh, my God. Girl, because, I went over his house or whatever, right? We supposed to kick it and chill or whatever, and I guess he caught himself trying to, fuck or whatever, and the nigga, started kissing on my neck and shit or whatever, and I'm like, okay then, he got a few moves, because the nigga been having swag, so I'm like, okay, this nigga, he must be working with something, Girl, this nigga pulled his bridges down, I'm like, oh my God, girl. Yes, that little ass dick. Girl, I can't do nothing with that. Yes, girl, I was like, this is just too much. Hold on, girl. Did you hear that? Girl. You didn't hear that shit? It sound like some cooking pans. Girl, and I don't even cook, so something ain't right. That ain't, Girl. Shit. Bitch, yeah, it sound like they moving, like the cooking pans moving. Something ain't right. Girl, let me go check to see what this shit is. Nah, bitch, something ain't right. Them pans should not be moving, bitch. I don't even cook. Girl. Girl, this shit ain't never happened. None of this shit ain't never happened like this. Shit, I only been living here for 3 months. Girl, this, Girl, I am not about to play. What the fuck was that, girl? Bitch, I'm telling you, bitch, if something jump out, bitch, you better hurry up and bring your motherfucking ass over here, because if you don't, I'ma beat your ass, bitch. You supposed to have my back. Girl, what is that? Bitch, I don't know what that was, but something ain't right. I know I heard something. I ain't no fucking fool. Girl, I don't know what the fuck that was, girl. Girl, I'm telling you. Shit. I ain't about to fucking play with him. Bitch, I get paid tomorrow.